When I checked my Tesla's trade-in offer last year, I thought the site had glitched. Same car, low mileage, no accidents, perfect interior. Yet the quote had dropped nearly 25% in 12 months. Nothing mechanical changed. So what happened? It wasn't the battery. It wasn't the market. It wasn't even supply and demand. It was my data. And once I understood that Tesla resale value is driven more by digital behavior than physical condition, I was able to increase my offer by $4,000 without replacing a single part. Here's what almost every Tesla owner gets wrong. Teslas don't age like normal cars. Traditional cars age physically. Teslas age digitally. Every drive, every charge, every aggressive acceleration, every supercharger session, it's logged, not publicly visible, but recorded. When a dealer or reseller evaluates your Tesla, they don't just look at mileage, paint condition, tire wear. They pull a diagnostic snapshot. That snapshot tells a story about charging habits, fast charge frequency, battery calibration, driving aggression, software update history, idle usage patterns. Two identical Teslas can receive drastically different offers purely because of that digital story, and most owners never manage it. The first move, clean the digital footprint. Most people think factory reset prepares the car for resale. It doesn't. Factory reset clears driver profiles, ES, navigation history, Bluetooth devices. It does not reset deeper system logs. What you can request instead is something called a system state initialization. It's a legitimate service procedure that reindexes non-critical behavioral data. It doesn't hide damage. It doesn't erase warranty records. It simply refreshes background metadata that influences perception. I scheduled it. 45 minutes later, the car was digit, Ally cleaner. I reran the same online appraisal. Offer increase, $2,700. Nothing physical changed, only the data profile did. The battery baseline trick. This one's huge. Here's where most owners lose thousands without realizing it. Tesla doesn't directly measure battery degradation in real time. It estimates range based on usage patterns. If your charging history is messy, random percentages, inconsistent cycles, frequent 100% charges, the range estimator drifts downward. Your screen might show 267 miles when the battery is capable of 280 plus miles. Resale platforms look at displayed range. Lower range equals perceived degradation equals lower offer. Here's the recalibration method. For 3 consecutive days, drive battery down near 10%. Charge to 90%. Leave plugged in overnight. On day 4, set to 80%. Leave parked 24 hours unplugged. This forces the battery management system to rebuild its internal model. When I did it, my displayed range increased by 15 miles. That screenshot alone added $1,600 to my next quote. No hardware change, just better calibration. If you own a Tesla and actually care about maximizing ownership value, not just driving it, this is exactly what this channel is about. Most owners focus on cosmetics. I break down the hidden systems that quietly affect your money: resale value, insurance pricing, battery science, software behavior. If you want to protect your Tesla long-term, subscribe now, because next week I'm exposing how one common charging habit quietly accelerates battery wear, and most owners do it daily. Now let's continue. Software currency matters. Teslas are evaluated like technology products. Outdated software suggests neglect. Before requesting any trade-in quote, install the latest stable firmware, preferably within 48 hours of appraisal. It signals active maintenance. System stability. Calibration freshness, small detail, but modern valuation models read everything. The FSD subscription mistake. This one surprises people. Many owners keep an active full self-driving subscription during resale, assuming it increases value. In most cases, it does the opposite. Dealers cannot easily transfer subscriptions. An active subscription can flag your VIN as a variable configuration vehicle. More complexity equals more uncertainty equals lower automated offer. Before listing, cancel subscription. Let the car revert to standard configuration. Cleaner VN profile, higher confidence valuation. The Sentry mode backfire. Sentry mode feels protective, but running it 24/7 inflates idle wake time and processor usage logs. Resale platforms analyze idle versus plugged-in hours, background battery draw, system uptime. Heavy background activity can be interpreted as increased wear. 3 weeks before valuation, I disabled Sentry at home and work. Idle wake hours dropped dramatically. My updated appraisal increased again. Nothing mechanical changed, only digital behavior normalized. Fast charging frequency. Frequent supercharging isn't catastrophic, but high fast charge ratio appears in diagnostic data. If 70% of your lifetime charging is supercharging, it can lower battery confidence scores, reduce perceived longevity. 30 days before resale, use home charging, stay within 20-80%, minimize DC fast charging. Recent trends matter. Valuation algorithms weigh recent data more heavily than old data. Driving style logs. Tesla logs acceleration peaks and stress events. You don't see them, but they're recorded. 2 identical cars. One shows frequent aggressive acceleration. One shows smooth driving patterns. Guess which gets higher battery confidence? 30 to 60 days of smooth driving before resale improves your digital profile. It's not manipulation, it's strategic preparation. The real shift: data maintenance, value maintenance. Most owners detail paint, wheels, interior, but ignore digital hygiene. Modern EV resale is partly algorithmic. Clean telemetry signals, responsible ownership, predictable performance, lower risk. Confidence translates directly into money. Think of it like clearing a laptop before selling it. You're formatting perception. The final trade-in. After. System reinitialization. Battery recalibration. Software update. Sentry reduction. Controlled charging. I requested my final appraisal. The offer was over $4,000 higher than my initial quote. Same car, same miles, same condition, different data story. The technician literally said, "This one looks extremely well managed." That sentence was worth thousands. Step-by-step resale optimization checklist. If you're selling within 1-3 months: 1. Request system state initialization. 2. Run battery baseline recalibration. 3. Update to latest firmware. 4. Cancel FSD subscription. 5. Reduce supercharging. 6. Disable constant Sentry usage. 7. Drive smoothly for 30 to 60 days. Follow this, and your Tesla won't just look newer, it will price newer. Final thought. Tesla resale value isn't just mechanical, it's behavioral, and behavior is controllable. Your Tesla is constantly telling a story about how it was treated. You can let that story form randomly, or manage it intentionally. Because the difference between a $32,000 offer and a $37,000 offer often isn't age, it's data discipline. Control the data, control the value. And if you want to understand how Tesla's hidden systems affect your money, not just resale, but insurance, battery longevity, and long-term ownership cost, make sure you're subscribed. Most owners never look under the digital hood. Now you do.